Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to pin a comment on TikTok. So for that we have to go on our TikTok app. Here as you can see I am on my profile. So if I try and go on one of my videos, then from here we have to click on those three dots next to comments, and then here next to this option it should have been a pin option, but we don't have that. So I know for sure that you do not need a certain amount of followers. This is a brand new feature, so not everyone has it yet. So if you don't have it, I have a solution for you. So let's go back, and then from here we have to go on our settings. So click on those three lines from the right top page, and then from here scroll down and go to report a problem. Then from here we have to go on videos and sounds, so click on that, and then from here you have to click on other, and again on other. So here you have to click on no, and then click on need more help, and here let's write our problem. So let's say hello TikTok team, I do not have the pin a video feature, or I can't pin a video. Please solve this problem for me. So you can also add some screenshots with your problem and then hit the report button. So after that we will receive a response in less than 2 days. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you liked this video and I hope it was helpful for you. Please comment down below if you have this feature or if you have not, and if you haven't, please make sure that you send them a feedback. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.